Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn mental math champion together, step by step. You made it. 30 whole days of mental math, and that is something to be genuinely proud of. You started by learning to make a 10, and you're finishing as a full champion. Every trick in this series now lives in your head, ready to fire the moment a number problem appears. Look how far you've come. On day 1 you could make a 10. Today you can estimate products, verify answers with digit sums, multiply two-digit numbers with crossing lines, and scale percents in your head. That's not one skill, that's a whole toolkit you carry everywhere. Let's finish big with 52 times 23. Cross multiply. Left is 5 times 2, 10. Cross is 5 times 3 plus 2 times 2, 15 plus 4, 19. Right is 2 times 3, 6. Carry as you read, 6. Then 19 writes 9 carry 1. Then 10 plus 1 is 11. The answer is 1196. Now prove it with a digit sum check. Digit sum of 52 is 7. Of 23 is 5. 7 times 5 is 35. And 3 plus 5 is 8. The answer 1196 gives 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 6 is 17. Then 8. Both sides are 8. It checks out perfectly. So here's my last bit of advice. Champion. These tricks get sharper the more you use them. In class, at the shops, timing yourself for fun. Pick one trick each week and use it 3 times in real life. Before long, numbers will feel like old friends. I'm so proud of you. Keep going. Great work. Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.